Okay guys, welcome today to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this Burda Easy magazine with you guys, and this is number 3 of 2025. You know, as I said earlier, this magazine does not come every month, something like once in 3 months, something like that. So this is number 3. So I hope I will get number 4 soon. Okay, well, this is very nice pattern in this magazine, and let us see what is all about. And also, this magazine, why I actually love it is because it do have some videos. So if you can get hold on this magazine, if you have some style, they will show you. These are for they have made videos on it on how to actually make it. You can see instruction, right? Okay, Space Girls. This is nice. I really love this. I love this. I love this. So this is number 1. This is very easy. It is party top. They say it's party top. And you know one thing I love with this, when you make it like this, the back is really very visible, but you can combine it with your jacket. It's really nice. Well, this magazine is actually like huge sizes. Not that huge. It is all pattern in this magazine. It is 34 to 44. You know, so because they did not indicate it where in each pattern what size it is. So that is that. And so you can see this is the front, what we saw earlier. But the thing is that we have the A para, then we have the B para. So this is the B para. You see how I suppose this at the back. So you can use your knitted fabric to actually make this. It looks really gorgeous. Alright, so this is like this. So this is it. You can combine it like that. See, the difference was that, yeah, the other one was a bit different, and this, you can see it has this rope around your waist area. It looks nice. Okay, so this is another style. This is, the difference now is they use colorful fabric to actually make it. This is like summer fabric, beautiful, you know. So Viscose fabric, this is it. So you can use something like this type of fabric, and you can use different kinds of combination to actually do it. It's beautiful. I love that. Okay, so this is another gorgeous pant. This is cargo pant. This is cargo pant. This is actually something like what you can wear that is not really all that cold yet. So this one thing you should do. This cargo pant. So this cargo pant, you can use something like snap buttons to put on it. You can put it has a zipper on it actually. So it is very now. It's not that long. You can see it's not up to your shoe, but it's something that it is easy to make. Yeah, alright. You can easily make it. Those gorgeous cargo pants. And so with so this is also another one. This is number 2C, and you can see that cargo pant, the way they make it extra. You see, you have a rope there that you can tie it. You can just tie it there, as you can see. You tie it. The first one was not all that like that, but this is another style. The zipper remains at the side. Okay? But it's so beautiful. So you can use a polyester fabric to actually make this. You know, it looks nice and shiny. It is gorgeous, you know. So but anyway, any fabric that you like will do So this is the 2C. So this is a pant, very elegant pant that has this, you can see, it has this cover up at the front. Yeah, so it is really very nice if you want to hide up your, yeah, some people have the pant but they don't want that to be shown, so something like this is really very nice. Okay, you can do that. You can yeah, why not? So you use this woolly fabric to actually do it, because it will look really gorgeous, stand out, and it looks nice and warm. So you do that. Okay, we have this very beautiful, elegant pants, and this pant is made with denim fabric and with butterfly embroidered pants. You can see, and of course the color they use for the embroidered butterfly goes with the sweater as well. I love that. I really like that. So anyway, they advertise for embroidery machine here that you can use to embroider and at the same time to sew your clothes. If you're up to that, check it out. This is a very nice 3A. This is a very nice dress. You can see it is just elegant, free. You know, it's what they call spaghetti dress. You see, so it is very nice. Then you know this eco Viscose fabric that you can use for it. It looks good, gorgeous. So you can just combine it with your shirt inside, your beautiful sweater dress inside, or you just wear your blazer on top, which is very nice. But this one you can use like springtime and summertime, of course. Alright, so this is it, how it looks like. So, but now you're not going to make that. You have to keep this for the next for next year. You can make all these things. Yeah. So this is also very nice, beautiful outfit. This the 3B. You see, with one pattern you can make different kinds of outfits. So you can see this very nice now. You still have the same outfit, but the neck area you have lace border there, just to give a little bit more beautiful effect. And also something you can also do, like if you have a dress that is too deep, the V area is too deep, they can use this type of lace fabric to actually sew there, and then it will make the dip of the V-neck a bit more higher. It's very nice. I love it. And then with the same lace fabric, they put it under, right? So this is also nice if you want your dress to have like about 5 centimeters, a little bit more longer, then you can do that as well. Okay, so it is better than that. It's beautiful because from the down part, the lace actually go with that lace on top there. So it is very nice. Okay, this is the C part. This is the C. Gorgeous. You can see how this sleeve that is actually here is not spaghetti sleeve, but it just, you know, a little bit more nice there. We gather this, give this dress another level. But the dress is short. It's not even to your knee. So what you can do is you can make it longer if you want. If you love this the sleeve top, you can use the longer version of this dress to attach with the sleeve. So that is very nice because this is a mini dress. So if you like it, oh, that's up to you. If you want to have a mini dress, it is fine. Alright, so I love that. Okay. So this also have idea what you can do. You can make this hairbands, things like that. It's a very nice project for beginner sewing. So here you have the centimeter, how to do it, and elastic, of course. Okay, so this is a very beautiful. This number 4A. which is a very nice warm shirt, because the fabric that you use there, you can actually use wool fabric to use for this shirt, or you can use this fabric to do it. This fabric, they have different kinds of this fabric nowadays, and also you can use this type of fabric to actually attach to another contrasting color. You can see with this shirt alone you have 1, 2, 3, so you can decide to do it. But if you don't like it like that, you can use 1 or 2 different kinds of fabric to actually do it, or even you can use one fabric to do it. It's really very nice. This fabric is gorgeous, nice and warm to make a outfit. Okay, so this is also nice jacket, which is very nice. Make it more elegant, really beautiful. You can see how it looks. It has breast pocket there at your, not breast pocket, with that your waist area. At this pocket there, you have it is, very very nice. It is very very nice. But yeah, as a beginner you could make it, but that's why this magazine is called Burda Easy, so you can make it and see. But it's different with one pattern. You can have different outfits, different hobbies. So this is for C. This is beautiful. This is really beautiful. We have this linen jacket, and then combination of this fabric here, and it looks really gorgeous. I really love it. So you can try it. You can go ahead and try it and try to make this denim jacket for yourself, so you can combine it with your legging. This is a very very simple skirt. It is very nice, and it is eco Viscose fabric that you can use for it. You can see the waist, it has no waistband, just like elastic on it, very light toning and elastic, as you can see here. This is how it looks like, right? It's very very simple. This is a very simple dress to make. So when you do that, yeah, you put elastic through that, your skirt is ready. Okay, so this is another version, this 5B, where you have this skirt. You can see this is a mini skirt. So this mini skirt has, you can see here, is more visible. This plate, it's a plated skirt as well from your hip area. You do that. So it is nice. Actually try something like this. So it's elastic, light elastic at the waist. Yeah, it's not difficult to make. So this also, this was 5B, this 5C. So with same pattern, we make this gorgeous dress, right? So the difference is the bottom. Okay, you don't have greater skirt, but now you do have from your hip area, little bit flare, and one side is then longer than the other side, as you could see. Okay, so you use Viscose fabric to make this something light, something that is not too heavy. Use it for this. And as you could see, this was actually like a style that was in the year 90s. And so at that year, this was really just classic. So now it's back. All the years, 90s, 80s, 40s, 50s, they are coming back, which is nice. It's gorgeous. So making outfits, the styles are endless. So you have that, and you can always make different combinations, right? So this is a very nice style that will be coming next time. You see this one. So I hope I got that magazine next time, and I can show you guys. This magazine, Burda Easy, is not that much. This one's like this one just like a few styles in this book, but then the style that you have, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. So if you have different kinds of style that you can make from this magazine, right? So I would say, guys, go and enjoy and make it, because there are some also videos, instructions on how you can make it. If you have this book wherever you live, they can show you where you have those videos, or you can go to the website to do that. I'm not paying to say that, but it is something that is nice to do. All right. So I would say thank you so much again for spending time with me to actually review this magazine. I'm happy to do so. So if you like the magazine, you can go ahead and buy yours, or you can, with a pattern that you like, you can go to your store and get one for yourself. So as I always say, practice. Practice make perfect. If I can do it, you guys can do it as well. So say enjoy your day. Have a very good day wherever you may be. To me, okay, goodbye. Bye.